Hi guys, it's Julie from cookedbyjulie.com. Today we'll be making spiced Indian lentils a la Julie, and these were fantastic. Super easy to make. They took less than 20 minutes, but they taste like they were simmering all day. So good. So let's hurry and get started. I'm using red lentils. I rinsed and drained them. I threw them in the pot. I don't like to salt the beans until they're finished cooking, and I like to fry the spices separately. So in this pot, I just threw in some ginger garlic paste and a bit of turmeric powder. Be very careful with the turmeric. It's very potent and gives lots of color, but it's also very healthy, they say. Cool. So I do 1 cup of lentils and 4 cups of water, and I cook them over medium-low heat for about 20 minutes. While those cook, I'm going to fry up some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and 2 chilies. I like to let the seeds warm up and pop all over for about 3 minutes in the hot oil, and I then add some curry powder. Curry powder is just a blend of spices. This has no salt, and you can use any brand you'd like. What I like about the curry powder is that you don't have to go out and buy a million different spices because curry powder contains a bunch of different spices. Now, I did add some asafoetida spice. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And that is kind of optional. It's really good and just a little pinch. If you have it, use it. If you don't worry about it. I added onions and tomatoes, and we're going to saute those for about 7 minutes or until they're super nice and softened. You can add fresh garlic. I love fresh garlic once the tomatoes and onions are done sauteing, but ginger garlic paste is very popular in Indian cuisine, and I kind of wanted to stay true to it. If you don't know this, Indian cuisine is my all-time favorite. I cook curries often throughout the week, and I love it because Indian food can be very healthy and delicious as well. Even like a vegetable curry is amazingly delicious. Now, I did add some salt to the onions and tomatoes. This was after 20 minutes of the lentils cooking. This is the perfect consistency for me. If you like them thicker, let them cook longer. If you like them looser, add more liquid. But 4 cups to 1 cup lentil is perfect for me. Go ahead and add the lentils to the onion and tomato mixture. Give everything a very good mix. And remember, we did not salt the beans, so you have to add salt right now. The best part about lentils is that they're extremely forgiving. If you didn't add enough spice in the beginning, you can always add it in the end and it'll soak it right up. I seasoned them well with kosher salt, and I then added some chili powder to give them a bit of spice, and I then simmered it over low heat for about 5 minutes. I then topped it off with some fresh coriander or cilantro, and I served these over basmati rice, and they were amazing. They were incredible. By the way, this goes perfectly with tandoori chicken or roasted spiced chicken if you don't have a tandoori oven. The exact recipe and written instructions are over on my website, cookedbyjulie.com. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope I made you hungry, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching.